Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat if it is being delivered on glitch. Now first of all, open your mobile phone and open Snapchat. As you can see, my messages are all delivered up and they have been also seen and have been replied to. So if there's being a delivered glitch, then all you have to do is open Play Store and search Snapchat and open Snapchat profile. As you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest update, so you need to update your Snapchat. And if it's still not working, then go to settings, go to your apps or applications and search Snapchat on the search bar. After you have searched Snapchat, go to storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Also, you need to give all other permissions for Snapchat, then it would be working all fine and you won't have any more glitch. Again, you should also restart your mobile phone and check if your Snapchat has delivered your message or not. Then it would be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.